Right, Manny, I'm watching this refurbished staircase. Just polished it and finished it in a matte lacquer, so it looks quite good. Actually, it's not too tacky because it's got that semi-matte finish. It looks pretty cool. Anyway, my model railway in the attic. I'll show you where I'm up to. Don't know why I started off downstairs. Let's go up my stairs into the attic. Station area. There's going to be a hotel going there, 4-storey at the end, small, like quite a slim, narrow hotel. Obviously that's the station, 2 ice trains. That's how it looks at the moment. There'll be backdrops going in. Nowhere near finished. Still electrifying all the points. That's your new signal box. Regional Express. Diesel rail car. Good sidings, and obviously that branches off into the small tunnel, which is going to have some rocks and all sorts of bits on it. Took that post out because it wasn't really supporting much, because we've got a big A-frame here next to it, so I can get much more better gradual curves around this area. Looks more realistic. Looks a lot better when there's a train coming round, which there is in a minute. Unloading yard, gravel yard, etc. Tunnel system, which is obviously on the way to being built, about half built at the moment. And there's a Trix goods train coming through. Actually, that should have the smoke running on it, which is not switched on at the moment. Let's switch it on now. That's going through the goods train. Have the smoke coming through in a minute. Loco digital wagons, various other bits. Yeah, so, and then you've got the HOE narrow gauge has been modified. Got a goods yard there, coaling, unloading. That works its way around. That's the goods yard. Backdrops in at the far end. Put it in wrong actually, but it's too late now, I can't do anything about it. And let's have a look at the BR44. Oh yeah, I've got a new bridge which has been built at the far end. Which has been built out of balsa wood. And the BR44 class is coming through now, which is a weathered steam engine. Go underneath. And I can see it come through. There's another goods yard. Been built with all lights in, trucks unloading area. A British building there, British goods shed. Container depot. Truck train. Obviously that leads off. We've got the steam yard at the far end. It goes there, and then obviously that's the backdrop. Regional goods, small passenger station. Diesel rail car parked up. That's the new bridge they built out of balsa wood. Small HOE station's going to go there. Church in the far corner. And there's going to be a diesel stroke electric goods yard there, and then it goes into the station. Tunnel areas obviously there, not finished. Got a tunnel mount to put on and stuff. Control panel. That's what it looks like at the moment. With the Profi bosses are plugged into the twin sensor. 2 of them. I'm going to upgrade the twin centre soon. Okay, catch up with you.